Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Reels not uploading on Instagram. So there is multiple solutions that we should check, and let's start one by one. So the first thing, you have to check your internet connection and check if you are using Wi-Fi or you are using directly the internet connection from cellular connection from your SIM card. And maybe you have to activate the airplane mode for 1 or 2 minutes and turn it off after that to be sure that the internet is working properly. And you can also check the internet speed to be sure that there is no problem related to internet by using apps like Speed Test. And after that, check if the internet speed is good or not on your phone. So like you see, for example, it's good on my phone already, like for the download, and I'm pretty sure for the upload also the speed is good. After that, the second solution that you can do is to close the Instagram app. Like if it's open like that, you have just to swipe up and swipe up again to close the Instagram app, and after that restart your phone to this procedure often clears stuck upload or temporary app process. The thing after that you can do is to check if there is an update for Instagram. Go to the App Store and look for Instagram and check if you need to update the app. For example, as you can see, I have to update the Instagram app on my phone. And also, if you have to update iOS, sometimes it may help. Go to General and Software Update. See if you have any software update that you should do. After that, you have to check the Reel file. You have to check the video or the videos that you are using for your Reel. Check the dimension and check also that the video is compatible and not corrupted file. And to check that, you have to just open it like that. Open the video and maybe go see the detail of the video to see the dimension and check all the detail of it and be sure that the file is not corrupted file. After that, you have to check your Instagram account status. And to do that, you have just to go to Instagram. After that, go to your profile. After that, click on the 3 lines on the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down until you find an option called Account Status. Click on it. And you have to be sure here that there is no issues on your account. And after that, if it's still not working, you have to delete Instagram and reinstall it again. And to delete it, you have to long press on it, click on Remove App and delete the app and reinstall it again. And if all those solutions are not working, you have to check another phone, for example, your brother, your sister, one of your parents, or anyone. You have to try to upload a Reel from their phones. If it's working, there is a problem with your phone or your account. And if it's not working, that means there is problem with Instagram. Sometimes they have international problems in their network or in the application, and normally these type of problems are solved in 1 or 2 hours maximum. So maybe you have to wait 1 or 2 hours and restart your phone and try again. And if the problem is still existing, you have to report the problem to Instagram. And to report the problem, you have to go to Instagram, go to your profile, click on the 3 lines again, and scroll down until you will find help option. Click on it. And after that, you have to click on report problem and report the problem for Instagram. And usually they will solve your problem maximum in like 1 or 2 days. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and